that time of nuts. That's why we never noodles every single day, because that time of nuts. I guess maybe some people have their cravings. And eat as I kind of cook up the soup. Not too much. Okay, noodles are done. I'll get the cloth, tea towel. Sure. You don't do that unless you're a professional like me, especially when the stove is hot. So you never do that unless you're a professional like me. Noodles are done. I got my drink too. Then I'll show you the results. Let's have a quick taste test. Strawberry. That's strawberry and this is watermelon. It's really nice. Give the C4 energy drink. 0 sugar. A 3.9. 3.9. Well, stay tuned for more fun. And I guess I'll see you next time for another fun video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And follow me on all my socials. I'll see you later.